A new weapon has entered the battlefield, one designed to protect Ukraine's skies against drones, missiles, and enemy aircraft. Introducing Gravehawk, the United Kingdom's latest air defense system, built for speed, precision, and stealth. But what makes this system so special? And how could it change the course of the conflict? The UK Ministry of Defence has officially revealed the Gravehawk air defence system, a cutting-edge weapon designed to counter airborne threats. Developed in record time, just 18 months, this project was fast-tracked under Task Force Kindred, a UK initiative focused on quickly supplying advanced military equipment to Ukraine. With a budget of £6 million, Gravehawk was developed by a coalition of British defence firms, though their identities remain classified for security reasons. Despite its relatively low cost, this system is packed with high-tech capabilities that give Ukraine a significant edge in air defense. So, what makes Gravehawk different from other air defense systems? Unlike traditional radar-based weapons, Gravehawk uses an infrared targeting system. This means it doesn't emit signals that could be detected by enemy forces. Instead, it quietly tracks and locks onto its targets using heat signatures, making it nearly impossible for the enemy to jam or evade. Radar-based air defenses are powerful, but they come with one major flaw: they can be detected. Once the enemy knows where a system is located, they can target and destroy it. But Gravehawk, it operates in complete stealth mode. The enemy won't even know they're being targeted until it's too late. Another key advantage? Mobility. Unlike massive, stationary air defense systems, Gravehawk is mounted on a military truck, allowing it to relocate quickly. This means Ukrainian forces can deploy it strategically, responding to threats in real time. The real firepower comes from its missiles. Gravehawk is armed with two modified R-73 infrared-guided missiles, originally designed for air-to-air combat. These missiles have been repurposed for ground-based deployment. They are capable of taking down a wide range of threats, including drones, cruise missiles, and enemy fighter jets. One of its primary missions is intercepting drones, especially the Iranian-made Shahed loitering munitions that Russia has been using in its attacks. These drones, often called kamikaze drones, have caused significant damage in Ukraine. With Gravehawk, Ukraine gains a powerful tool to neutralize these airborne threats before they strike their targets. But that's not all. Gravehawk is also designed to take down enemy fighter jets and cruise missiles, adding a critical layer of protection to Ukraine's airspace. With an estimated production cost of £1 million per unit, Gravehawk is relatively affordable compared to other high-tech air defense systems. Each unit is operated by a crew of 5 personnel, making it efficient and easy to deploy. Ukraine has been in desperate need of mobile air defense solutions, and Gravehawk could be a game changer. Its combination of stealth, mobility, and infrared targeting gives Ukraine a new way to defend its cities, military bases, and key infrastructure. As Russia continues its aerial attacks, Ukraine has been working to strengthen its air defense capabilities. With Western allies providing advanced weapons, systems like Gravehawk could help tip the balance in Ukraine's favor. But how effective will Gravehawk be in real combat situations? Will it be able to counter Russia's evolving aerial tactics? Only time will tell. One thing is clear: Gravehawk represents a new era of air defense, and its impact on the battlefield could be significant. What do you think? Will Gravehawk be a game changer for Ukraine's defense? Or is it just another piece of military tech in an evolving conflict? Let us know in the comments below.